So I have here my iPhone 6 and I used this for almost 5 years. My problem here is that its screen stuck or got frozen whenever I use it. So I struggle a lot using this phone and I always got to press the home button or the power button to refresh it until I discover to force restart it and it works out. Force restarting is actually the safest way for me and it will not lose any data from your phone. I will show you how to force restart with iPhone having a physical home button, the circle below, and force restarting with the iPhone having a shortcut home button on the screen. All you have to do is to press and hold the home button and the power button and release it when the iPhone logo appears on the screen. Just wait until it goes back to your normal home screen. So this is my iPhone 10, and for those iPhone that does not have a physical home button, and I'll teach you how to force restart it. All you have to do is to short press the up volume, short press the lower volume, then press and hold the power button and release when the iPhone logo appears on the screen. That's all. Thank you for watching. And if you want to know more simple ways, just click the subscribe and the notification bell for you to be updated. Be you, be happy.